So, welcome to my how-to guide on how to store a memory setting on a Hotpoint Aqualtis. So, this can be applied to the AQGD169S, which is this one, an 8 kilo silver model. It can also be applied to the AQXXD169 PM and PI, depending on what door you've got, 1600 spin, basically with the LCD screen. There are later models which can also store memory, but I'm not sure how to do it with whether that might apply. You can always try it on your own Aqualtis if it's the later models. But we're going to focus on this one today, so we're going to switch it on. So if no memory's ever been stored, you can simply, if you select memory 1, 2, 3 or 4, they all come up with Colourfast Cotton 40. But we're going to change that. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to store the Fast Wash 30 into memory 4. So what we've done is turn the program to it. Now you don't even have to start the program. You just simply have to turn it to Fast Wash 30. Then press and hold the memory slot you want it to go into. So you want memory 4, press and hold. And a beep will tell you that it's stored. Right, so if we press memory 1, Colourfast Cotton lights up, and if we press memory 4, Fast Wash 30 comes up. How about this then? So, it's actually, memory is for storing your 4 most favourite settings, and some people could end up with complicated settings. So this is actually quite time saving if you want to do this. So let's say you want to save the synthetic cycle with superwash and reduced creases, perhaps when you're washing bedding. And we're going to select M2. There we go. So now, if we go to M1, it comes up with Cotton Colourfast. M2, we've now got synthetics, non-delicates, with both the superwash and the reduced creases options now selected. So how do we overwrite a cycle? So let's select shirts. We're going to select superwash, reduced creases, extra rinse, mini loads. We're going to reduce temperature 30 and the spin to 400 RPM. Let's store it, but we're going to overwrite the synthetic cycle. So we're going to press M2, it's saying storing, beep to tell it's stored, and now M1 says Cotton Colourfast, M4 is Fast Wash 30, and M2 is shirts with all those options. And that's it really. That is a how-to guide on how to use the memory option on your Hotpoint Aqualtis. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own home. Thank you for watching.